Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 14. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Project Proposals Management tile ng BIMS App. Ang Project Proposals Management module ay ginagamit para makapag-submit ang barangay constituents and authorized users ng project proposals online. Ito ang section kung saan maaaring ipasok, i-review, i-approve, or i-disapprove ang mga proposed community projects. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Project Proposals Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Barangay Project Proposal screen. Dito makikita ang Project Proposal section kung saan nakalista ang mga submitted proposals. The table may show important details such as proposal ID, title, description, objectives, expected budget, timeline, status, and submitted date. Ang purpose ng module na ito ay to encourage community participation in barangay development planning. Instead na puro internal planning lang, constituents can submit ideas or proposals that may help improve the barangay. Examples of project proposals may include road concreting, drainage construction, street lighting projects, barangay cleanup initiatives, health and social service programs, and disaster preparedness projects. For example, sa screen makikita natin ang isang project proposal for barangay drainage rehabilitation. It includes a description, objective, expected budget, timeline, and approval status. This gives officials a structured way to review what the project is about and whether it should move forward. Mahalaga ang module na ito dahil it supports transparent project evaluation and approval workflows. Submitted proposals initially remain pending. Then barangay officials review the project details and supporting information. Authorized approvers may approve or disapprove proposals based on the needs, priorities, and available resources of the barangay. Kapag ang project proposal ay na-approve, it may later become part of the Annual Investment Program or AIP Planning. This connects community proposals to the barangay's official planning and budgeting process. Approved expenditures may also later appear in the Statement of Receipts and Expenditures, or SRE, and in annual budget reports. In some cases, posted transactions may create accounting and ledger entries. This means the Project Proposals module is not just a list of suggestions. It can become the starting point of a full planning and financial workflow. The general flow is a proposal is submitted, then reviewed, then approved or disapproved. If approved, it may proceed to posting, AIP preparation, budget planning, and possible financial integration. Sa right side, makikita ang Barangay Project Proposal Overview Help Panel. Dito ipinapaliwanag kung ano ang ginagawa ng module, ano ang purpose nito, examples of project proposals, how it connects to other modules, approval workflow, and important reminders. The most important reminder is that only authorized users may approve or post project proposals. Posted transactions may affect financial and accounting records, so these actions must be controlled. Project proposal records may also become part of official barangay planning documents. Kaya dapat malinaw, kumpleto, and properly reviewed ang mga proposal bago ito isama sa planning and budget workflow. In summary, ang Project Proposals Management tile ay designed para gawing mas participatory, transparent, and organized ang barangay development planning. It connects community ideas, official review, approval workflow, AIP planning, annual budgeting, and possible financial integration into one structured process. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-submit ng project proposal, paano mag-review ng proposal, paano mag-approve or disapprove, paano mag-post ng approved proposal, and paano ito makakonekta sa AIP and budget preparation. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Project Proposals Management tile. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.